We had we had scans and we just could not figure out what was wrong with him. One of the scans, they found a white orb in his abdomen. And I feel that it was an entity captured. And they said, we don't know what it is. We've never seen this, but we can't tell what's wrong with him. He would wake up every single night around 3:30 in the morning crying because he was scared. And he was 2, and he said that there was a mean duck or scary elephants is the way that he could describe these entities that he was seeing. And I remember getting up one night, going into his room, and the dread and fear and just horrible energy was so thick that I felt like I could have cut it with a knife. And I hate to say this, but I was terrified to go get him in his room because that energy was so malevolent feeling. And I didn't know what to do. So I contacted, if you've heard about my stories of my mother who did house blessings with the Catholic Church. And they came in and they found all these entities and supposedly removed them. Well, my son and I never really got better, but the attacks for him at night stopped. And when this team came in, we had to get rid of a whole bunch of things that were haunted, supposedly, like our essential oils and Yogi brand tea because it sounded like yoga. And anything that was associated with Halloween, although they put Halloween parties on, it was just really weird looking back. And